Exercise 4.1, sum number 10. If sin theta equal to 3 by 5 and tan phi equal to 1 by 2 and pi by 2 less than theta less than pi less than phi less than 3 pi by 2, then find the value of 8 tan theta minus root phi secant phi. This is the question. So this can be split into two parts. This problem can be split into two parts. First part can be taken as proceed up to this. So pi by 2 less than theta less than pi is a one part. The other part is pi less than pi less than 3 pi by 2. So this can be split into two parts. First we have to take the first angle can be taken as sin theta is already given 3 by 5, tan phi is 1 by 2. So pi by 2 is theta is lies between pi by 2 to pi. So theta is lies between pi by 2 to pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi means this angle. Okay, pi by 2 to pi, this angle. So this angle is a second quadrant. So pi by 2 to pi by 2 90 to 180 lies between 90 to 180 is a second quadrant. So theta is lying in the second quadrant. So sin theta is positive. So all positive. First quadrant all positive. Second quadrant sin only positive. So sin only positive. So in this sin is positive. This is lying only in the second quadrant. So if sin theta equal to 3 by 5 is already given. So by applying this right angle triangle, so formula is sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So 90 straight away 90 is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Angle is opposite. Opposite of the angle is this is opposite. Remaining side is adjacent side. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem, so AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Resultant side AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AB is considered as x. So x square plus BC is value is 3. So 3 square equal to 5 square. So x square plus 9 equal to 25. So x square equal to 25 minus 9. X square equal to 16. X equal to plus or minus 4. So in the second quadrant, sin only positive. So remaining things are negative. So in the taken as a cos theta formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So we have to take the negative value minus of 4 by 5. So already adjacent side is 4. So we have to fix negative. So this angle is lies within the second quadrant. Second quadrant sin only positive. Remaining ratios are negative. So tan theta formula is opposite by adjacent. So opposite is minus 3 by 4. Generally 3 by 4. Tan theta is negative. So minus 3 by 4. Equation number 1. The second subdivision is pi is angle. Pi is lies between pi to 3 pi by 2. So pi to 3 pi by 2 is 180 to 270. So pi to 2 pi by 2 is this side. So this is the third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan only positive, remaining ratios are negative. So the third quadrant tan phi. So phi, the angle phi is lies between theta is over. The second angle is pi. So angle is lies between minus pi to 3 pi by 2. So third quadrant tan phi is positive. So given that, we have to take the right angle triangle. So tan phi is 1 by 2 is already given. Tan theta formula is opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is 1, adjacent side is 2. We have to compute hypotenuse. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So AB square is 2 square and BC square is 1 square equal to AC square. So phi equal to AC square, root phi equal to AC. So secant phi formula is reciprocal of cos. So hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse is already known. So minus root phi by 2 is a tan only negative, tan only positive. Remaining things are negative in the angle phi. So this value is 8 tan theta minus root phi secant phi is already given. 8 into tan theta value is minus 3 by 4 minus root 5 into secant phi is minus root 5 by 2, minus to minus plus, root 5 into root 5 is 5 by 2, so 4 2 times cancel, so minus 6 plus 5 by 2, LCM is minus 12 plus 5 by 2, so the final answer is minus 7 by